Hi, besties. How are y'all doing? Hope you're great. This is a very delicious recipe. Please let's watch and enjoy.
Sardine oil into a bowl. Add some milk to this. In another bowl, add flour, baking powder, salt. Create a hole. Add the wet ingredients. Mix to combine. Add your sardine to this and mash it up in it like so. Make the pancake. Flip it over when it starts to see bubbles on top, and your sardine infused pancakes are ready. This is so delicious and so yum. Everyone is going to love it. Will you be trying this, Fused?